Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 129. At the meeting of the directors today, it was stated that the rates of exchange in January and February were favorable to manufacturers in this country. Full stop. Regarding the matter of expediency, to discuss which the meeting was primarily called, it was thought that the plan suggestion might prove very expensive and cause endless trouble in arranging the necessary mortgage. Full stop. The chairman, John Ogden, esque, a commercial magnate, is a very capable mathematician, and he carries out all his business with mathematical exactitude. Full stop. He is hoping that the mechanical efficiency of the establishment may be sufficient to check any unnecessary expenditure during the coming year. Full stop. No man is more familiar to the members of the exchange than he, and his speeches at social functions are noted for their humor, while his placid manner is a characteristic which compels the admiration of all. Full stop. He is possessed of great personal magnetism, and it is due, undoubtedly to his ability that the company has an almost unassailable position which has surprised those who are engaged in a similar manufacture. Full stop.